Yep. Alright, this is quickly looking quite complicated, but I think I should be able to figure it out. So step one is to kind of mount this little box over on there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now, and then yeah, we'll see what's next. Alright, so I had to remove this whole little cover box right here. Just be careful, the little seal here wanted to come up around there, but I'm just going to leave all the screws in so I don't lose what spot they go in. And careful, there is quite a bit of grease. I've heard that you should actually oh, sorry, camera cut out for a minute, but I heard you actually should re-grease and do a bunch of that, but I'm just going to be careful the next few days. I don't have any grease on hand, so I'm just going to deal with it later. Get this done for now. So I'm just kind of tearing up the battery tray here, I believe. So see what happens here. It said remove these two counter-sunken bolts. Doesn't say anything about down yonder. Oh, okay. I can lift that out of the way just a little bit. Probably just enough room to work under there. So I'm going to take a look at the instructions and keep moving. So I'm routing this this red wire kind of down around through some of the innards, and yeah, it's kind of it's hard to get your hands in some of here, but I think I am managing. Just might really have to strap some of that down. It came with plenty of zip ties and little things to keep the wires away, so figure that out later. I'm gonna keep at it. Okay, so that part was really fun. Trying to get the wire down into, you actually got to route it into the box, and there's a little channel that it goes down through under, and it's pretty tough to get down in there, but I got it. So it says plug it into channel 1. That's what I'm gonna do, and then keep it going. Alright, I actually have I think all the wiring as far as the chassis done, plugging everything in over there. So time to move on to actually wiring the actual lights itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and figure that out. Alright, so I did finish the lighting last night. Yeah, I had to call it a break for last night. Stayed up till like 4 a.m. finishing this. It's really not that difficult. It is pretty following the instructions. There's a couple things that are a little confusing, but anyone should be able to install this light kit. So let's just try it out here for you guys. We are going to turn the receiver on, and oh, we had him for a second. There we go. Oh man, don't that look gorgeous? Then you got the side marker, and then let's turn it around, and the tail lights. Those headlights are a lot brighter than I ever would have thought. It's pretty nice. Alright, so this is the finished upgrade. I might toss some stickers on there, but black on black rims. Got the lights. The BF Goodrich tires are new. And the new bumper with the push bar. So call this a successful upgrade.